Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. As you've probably seen in the clip, I got lots of mail today, so I thought I'd just open it up and show you what I got. And yeah, and I also got my Boxy Premium, which is here, so that'll be the last one. One of these is an add-on from July. The other one is the starting of my pop-up, and then I got a Sephora order. So let's see what I got in which bag. So we'll go from smallest to biggest as you can already see. I've done my makeup for today. Oops. Yeah. I just have a tiny pair of scissors here. Oh, I keep getting calls about the kids going back to school, and I'm like, oh, one graduated, one wants to do SAL again next year, so hopefully that's what we can do. Okay, so guys, that's all that's in this box is this. Why wouldn't they ship it in a bag? I don't know. Okay, so I bought this for like $6, $7, $9, I'm not sure. I really like it, so I thought I'd buy the shade that is my color. And so let's see what's in this one. I think this is only this was the second order I made. I think I made 3. This time, no duties. Ha! Okay, so yep. Okay, so I'll show you guys what I got. I'm gonna start with these. These are the exfoliating dual-sided scrubbers. I actually have them upstairs. I really like them, so I thought I'd just go ahead and buy 5 of them. I think it was like $3 for 1 and $6 for 5, so I'm like, well, that's just kind of dumb. So yeah, that'll go upstairs. So I'll put that there. I also picked this up. I know I was like, afterwards I was like, yeah, that might have been a little too much to spend. So this was like $6 American, which is about like 9 Canadian. But it's really cute, and I like doing my nails, so I got the Kenzie. Oh, those are nice. Ooh, those are really, really nice. So I will like hide those someplace. So yeah. I also decided to purchase the earrings. I think they were like $6. What happened? Oh, you better pick it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to wear these, but I would definitely give them a try out. I thought I'd get something that is closed because the mask keeps getting caught in them. And Evelyn like was in bed with me one night and she ripped out the other one. Thankfully the earring gave and not my ear. So I wanted to show you guys these. These are super tiny. Oh my gosh. So I'm getting a bunch of these and I'm going to wait for them all to come in. I thought the palette was broke because this fell out. So, and then I'm going to do looks with them. I'll probably spend like a week doing looks with them. So there's the orange. So not my color, but, oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah. Now, I am trying to decide if I cancel some of my boxes, if I should just go and get, like, do you guys want to see, they have like a lip and cheek in Sephora. It's not on a Boxy pop-up, so I can't get it. But I think these are super cute. I got the pink and orange one. Oh, look at that. Oh. So there's the purple. So these are like little looks I can create to go. The nice thing is that they are small enough. I can fit them in my purse. I can fit them almost anywhere. So I did get the... Okay, so this is, okay, Poppy Champagne Bentigo, and this one would be Hella Azalea. Okay, so I thought I would tell you what I was getting, and then I was like, why? Why would I do that? You guys are going to see what I get. So I'm going to set these aside. These will be for another time. You guys don't really want to see me doing my nails, so because they're all short. Okay, so then I'll put those earrings in. Let's clean this up a bit. Okay, so let's see what I got in my Sephora order. Okay, so I purchased, because now I'm a Beauty Insider, so now all I have to do is buy something worth $35 and I can have it shipped to me. So that's what I did. I wanted to try this for a really long time. This is the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Lip Shine. So it comes with the Lancome Juicy Tube, which of course I've had. Sorry guys. The Patrick Ta something NARS full size and Beauty Fenty Beauty, and the Too Faced lip injection. Sorry. Okay, so I just kind of want to see the colors. I'm excited to try this. I know a lot of people say that it really does inflate your lips, so I will definitely give that a try and let you guys know for sure. This Fenty Beauty is just gorgeous. Oh, I could wear that alone. I will definitely be keeping that, as I do like the Beauty Balm. This is Patrick Ta. She's Expensive. I'm not exactly sure who this is. I have to look it up. So, a really nice gloss. Can never have too many juicy tubes. This came out when I was in my 20s, and yeah, same consistency. Yep. Okay, so this NARS is full size. Whoa, look at that pink. That is my pink. Okay, I'm sold. Okay. I'm not sure what this retails for, but these are super cute, super pretty. I am going to be giving them a try with my next video or two. Okay, so my prize for buying all of this is the More Pore Minimizing Primer. So this will be interesting to try. I also got Kat Von D's Lock-It and Translucent, which I already have, so I'll throw that someplace. Okay, so Cover More Cakeless Full Coverage Liquid Concealer that won't look cakey. Okay, so maybe I'll give that a try. I'm not exactly sure. So this was like the foundation bag. I was like, yeah, I already have so much foundation. So I've never tried Anastasia's Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, so I might be able to give this one a try, although it does look a little dark for me. Okay, so this is Sephora's Tinted Moisturizer. I absolutely love this idea. I do like tinted moisturizer. I will definitely give this lace a try. Tint Idol Ultra Wear Full Coverage Foundation, up to 24 hours Ultra Wear, now in 45 shades to find your perfect match. Okay, so when I first started out in makeup, when I was in my 20s, this was one company that I religiously bought. This is before you could buy stuff online, and we had no Sephora where I lived. The nearest Sephora was like 2 hours, 3 hours away. So we had the Hudson Bay in Owen Sound, and they always, Lincoln always had gifts with purchases. So my mom would always buy that stuff, always. And I mean, it would make it so much worth it. So instead of buying a $50 eye palette, you got, you got the eye, the eye remover, by Sal's eye remover and stuff. So this was one that actually almost matched me completely perfect. It was just one of the foundations that, I mean, I loved. So, and one of the foundations I've had forever and ever and ever. I don't have it anymore, but yeah, I will give that a try. So this is Too Faced, the modern way to wear matte makeup. Oil-free, 14-hour wear, oil controlling, and photo-friendly. So I'll give that definitely a try, especially because since, you know, you guys, I do have oily skin, and when I go to work, I sweat so much. So I have here Tarte Creaseless Concealer, full coverage, 16 hours, hydration, waterproof. So I'll give that a try. There's 2, maybe 3 shades I could actually use off of this. I got Fenty Beauty. This comes, so I think I've tried this one actually. I think this 150 Soft Matte is actually mine cover, but it has another like darker one that I might be able to wear because I'm tanned a bit more. So, and then it comes with the primer. So definitely give that a try, especially if I'm going to try this out, right? And one of my pop-ups, there's more Fenty coming. Okay, so I'm definitely happy with that. I didn't expect it to be that much, but yes. Okay, so I'll put that there. Oh, I'm like, where's my Boxy Premium? Okay, so that cost me $38. Okay, so this is Boxy Premium. This is a monthly subscription. It ships from the US. It is, I think, $50 Canadian, roughly. It's about, I think, $35 plus $5 to ship, which makes it more than that. You know, if I'm going to talk about it, I should at least know about it, right? So, the nice thing about Boxycharm is that they, right now, they have like the add-on still going on, or pop-up sale. And that's kind of nice. Now, next month is the Luxebox, so, if you get the Luxebox, if you won't get a base box, you'll just get the Luxebox. I'm not exactly sold on the Luxebox. I'm actually thinking about canceling both, just keeping the premium. Okay, let's see here. $35 plus $5 to ship, so it comes to about $55, $60. Oh, it's supposed to come with full-size items. So I'm going to show you my choice first, and that is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. I have a few things from them now. The Luna Sleeping Oil. This is full size. This retails for like insane amounts of money. So this is something I definitely wanted. This is advanced strength retinol serum. Delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinols and retinol-like botanical extracts onto the skin. So I've got almost the whole set. So I'm excited to try it all out. Okay, so here's the card. Here, that's worth $85 right there. Okay. So then I got the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator, which I don't actually mind. Like I said, I just kind of bought one. The only thing is that Boxy, come on. So there it is there. I don't mind it. I often get acne on my back and on my legs, so yay. I got Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder in translucent. So, oh, sorry, this is $18. Ouch! After Spa. Whoa, that's a huge setting powder. Okay, so this is $33. So I actually am wearing this on as my concealer, so that's kind of nice. I'm not a fan of Too Faced. I really don't like the name, because I was often called Too Faced too. Just saying. I know, that's a horrible thing to say, but yeah. So anyway, this concealer, it seems to be holding up quite well. I can't really see myself right now, but okay, so that is valued at $33. Hi! What did I get here? Oh, hi. I'm going to show everyone your cat gems.
See?
Yeah. You like boxes, don't you?
See?
Yes.
The bath. Yes.
That's for your bath. Here. Go like this. Go. Scrub, 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 scrub. Get the elbow. Get the nose. Get the chin. Where's the chin? Chin. Chin, 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 chin. Okay. So, this is Laura. Yes, Laura Geller's Fortifying Lashes. I can't even get it open. Looks like it's starting to be open. Nose, nose, nose. Where'd what your ears? Oh. She got her hair cut, so it's not as long as it was. So this is eye primer. I'm not sure about this because I have so many eye primers, so maybe I'm not gonna use it. But this is black. Okay, so what does it say? The creator of Spackle, an expert in... Can mommy read? Spackle, an expert in primers, introduces newest innovation priming your lashes. Unlike other white-colored lash primers, this black tinted formula blends with your mascara and it can be worn alone for a natural lash look. Okay, so maybe I will give that a try. I mean, I don't have black primer, so that is valued at $24. Okay, so this is something all premium subscribers got. Okay, so that's on there pretty well. That green, wow, and the pink. Okay, so there it is there. No, please don't touch. Oh, that is so pretty, actually. So I'm gonna give that a try. Obviously, I've done my makeup already, or else I would do it today for you. Maybe I'll use some of the stuff I've got in the pop-up and on the box. Okay, so I think I have one thing left in here. Okay, so this is valued at $32. Okay, so this is inspired by New England and fall. The palette features a super soft blendable shadow and a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and matte for an effortlessly hazy eye look. Okay, so... Oh, come on. Like, seriously, I got so excited. I saw that MAC Lips Cosmetics is on here. And it's in, like, brown. So I'm not even going to use that because I can't. That is brown. Like, come on. Like... Okay. Everything else I'm pretty happy with the box. This isn't, I don't know if this is the version I wanted. It's definitely not a version that I wouldn't have minded getting. I just saw that, I don't know if it's on the base where they got the clearance lip stuff, and it looks so pretty. No thank you. So 85 plus 32 plus 33 plus 19 plus 24 plus 18. So my value is $211. That is, of course, in American prices. So almost everything I will use. Now, mind you, I don't believe this is $18. I mean, there's no way. Sorry. With that being said, even if they left that out, the box still would have been a great value. It was well over $200. Now, the only thing I will not use, of course, is the higher end matte lipstick. So I'll put that in my home pile. Anyway. Okay, so that was the end of my Boxy Premium. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Evelyn? Av? Can you say goodbye?
Bye. Bye.
I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.